गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। You all attended some satsang sometime? हिंदी में बोलो अंग्रेजी में?
हिंदी में भी बढ़िया,
हिंदी मिक्स करके बोल देते हैं।
हिंदी इंग्लिश एक्चुअली
So you have attended satsangs before?
Yeah.
What about them?
For the first time in Sydney. So
But you have attended otherwise. हाँ तो फिर मतलब ये ना धुले हुए हो।
उसका नहीं पता
जानते हैं। तो फिर ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे हम फिर स्वात्म प्रकाश नहीं करेंगे। अगर ऐसी बात है तो फिर हम यहाँ पे एक स्व तो मैंने पहले बोल दिया, पता नहीं क्यों मैं रुक गया आगे, मैंने आत्म प्रकाश का मीनिंग नहीं बताया। तो यहाँ पे एक और है स्वरूप अनुसंधान। हाँ, तो उसमें भी स्व है। स्व मतलब सेल्फ, आत्मा। रूप उसका क्या आकार है? स्वरूप का आकार क्या होता है? निराकार है ना। तो अनुसंधानम, उसको हम इन्वेस्टिगेट कैसे कर सकते हैं? तो व्हाट द इन्वेस्टिगेशन इनटू द सेल्फ, दैट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस टेक्स्ट। और इसमें 8 वर्सेस है, मे बी 4 इधर करेंगे, 4 इसके घर में करेंगे, कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। मेलबर्न में मैंने लिया हुआ है, बट विल जस्ट फॉर दोज इन मेलबर्न इट इज अ रिकैप। आई विल कम एंड आस्क क्वेश्चंस। हाँ, तो पहला द फर्स्ट वर्स गोज, तपो यज्ञनादाभिशुद्ध बुद्धिः विरक्तो नृपादे पदे तुच्छ बुद्ध्या परित्यज्य सर्वं यदाप्नोति तत्त्वं परं ब्रह्म नित्यं तदेवाहमस्मि। परं ब्रह्म नित्यं तदेवाहमस्मि। I am that infinite reality, I am that परम ब्रह्म, पर ब्रह्म परमात्मा, ये तो नाम सुना हुआ है सबने। परम मीन्स दैट विच इज बियॉन्ड एवरीथिंग, इनफाइनाइट इन नेचर। पर ब्रह्म मीन्स दैट इनफाइनाइट कॉन्शियसनेस। एंड नित्य मीन्स दैट विच इज इटर्नल। तद एव, दैट अलोन, अहम, आई, अस्मि, एम, that alone I am. And what do we consider ourselves to be? Not Param Brahma. ये छोटा सा टीनी मीनी जीव, सोल, बॉडी। और कई लोग तो वहां पे भी नहीं रुकते, दे आर मोर क्रिएटिव। आई एम हस्बैंड, आई एम वाइफ, आई एम सन, आई एम डॉटर, आई एम एन एम्प्लॉय, आई एम अ सिटीजन। और गिरते जाते। और हो कौन तुम? परम ब्रह्म नित्यम तदेवाहमस्मि। दैट इज आवर नेचर, दैट इज आवर ट्रू रियलिटी। तो यहाँ पे क्या बोलते हैं? तपो यज्ञ दानादि भी शुद्ध बुद्धि तो तप करने से, यज्ञ दान करने से, आदि भी मीन्स एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, ये जो ऑल द वेरियस थिंग्स जो तपस्या में करनी है, साधना में करनी है, वो सब करने से क्या होगा? शुद्ध बुद्धि, हैविंग डेवलप्ड प्योर इंटेलेक्ट। इंटेलेक्ट क्या करती है काम? हाँ, इंटेलेक्ट कैसे काम करती है? कंसेप्ट्स बनाती है ना? और कंसेप्ट्स कैसे बनते हैं? मैंने अभी बोला था ना थोड़ी देर पहले, मैं हाँ,
जैसे हम हैं वैसे ही बनाते हैं।
कंसेप्ट्स के बेसिस पे हम बनते हैं, और हमारे होने से कंसेप्ट बनते हैं, कंसेप्ट्स के बेसिस पे हम बनते हैं। तो अभी मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले क्या बोला था? देखो अभी नहीं, वो ठीक है, मैं अपनी बात कर रहा हूँ अभी। मैं उस कैटेगरी में नहीं आता। तो मैंने क्या बोला कि अरे बहुत काम हो गया, ये जूम शुरू नहीं हो रहा, अब मैं स्ट्रेस्ड हो गया, बोला था ना अभी जाने से पहले। तो मैंने अपने आप को क्या माना? स्ट्रेस्ड। एक्सेप्ट कर लिया कि मैं स्ट्रेस्ड हूं। दिस इज डेट्रीमेंटल। मेरे लिए हानिकारक है अगर मैं अपने बारे में ऐसे सोचूं। तकिया कलाम में निकल गया और मैं बाहर गया, मैं कहा यार ये क्या बोल के आ गया, मैं इसको सॉर्ट करना पड़ेगा। हो गया अभी सॉर्ट। झटके में हो जाता है, मैं छोड़ता नहीं हूं इन चीज़ों को। अपने आप से हम अपने आप से सबसे ज़्यादा बात करते हैं। तो उस क्वालिटी ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन क्या है? मैं रेस्टलेस हूँ, मैं टेंशन में हूँ, मेरे से ये नहीं किया जाता, मेरे से वो नहीं होता, मैं तो बेचारा हूँ, ये दुनिया बहुत बड़ी है, भगवान ने पता नहीं क्यों मेरे को सारे त्रास दिए हुए हैं, ये सब कंसेप्ट है। और यहाँ पे शंकराचार्य जी क्या बोल रहे हैं कि मैं कौन हूँ? मैं वो पर ब्रह्म परमात्मा हूँ और वही मैं हूँ। मीनिंग मैं हमेशा था, मैं ये जानता हूं कि मैं हमेशा था, और वो मैं हूं। हिंदी ठीक है? हिंदी ठीक है? यू आर एबल टू गेट इट? ना दे सगुना, यू अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी और नो? या शी अंडरस्टैंड्स हिंदी, ओनली ही डजंट।
He understands.
By the end of the class, he'll have white beard, trying to work out.
No, he just had a protein drink.
Tapo yajna dana. Tap means austerities. Austerities means even if you have everything available, you choose to live minimally. Not only on the outside, but also inside. So even though you have plenty of thoughts, you choose to remain silent. Anandamayi Ma used to say, one of the mantras of Swamiji, देखो सुनो मत बोलो. See everything, look at everything, देखो सुनो, listen to everything, but don't react by speaking. इससे क्या होता है? इसको बोलते हैं हालाहल ट्रीटमेंट। शिव जी भी सब कुछ देखते हैं, सुनते हैं, लेकिन जो भी अच्छा बुरा जो भी आ रहा है सब गले में रखते हैं, गले में से बाहर नहीं आने देते। देखो, और जहां एक शब्द गलत आ गया, रिले होल लाइफ पीपल डोंट टॉक टू ईच अदर समटाइम्स, इजंट इट? तो ये तप यज्ञ मतलब क्या है? यज्ञ मतलब हमको क्या पता है यज्ञ के बारे में? जो कुंड होता है, कुंड में अग्नि लगती है और अग्नि में हम आहुति देते हैं। तो पर ये ज्ञान के दृष्टि से अभी जो चल रहा है, व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन राइट नाउ इज ऑल्सो यज्ञ। यहाँ पे क्या चल रहा है? यज्ञ, ज्ञान यज्ञ चल रहा है। देयर इज अ dispensation, the knowledge is being dispersed. So you are the Havan Kunds and I am putting the ahuti of the words. Jalo. धुआं मत उठने दो बस। So you understood that? You understood? No, man. That can be only expressed in Hindi. What can I do? I said you are the fire pots in which the havan samagri, the material that has to be put into the fire to swaha karte hai na. So that thing. So you are the fire pits, and these words that are coming, they are going in there. So what should happen? You should be on fire. But now see how stupid you sound when you say it in English. हिंदी का जो मजा है.
इंग्लिश में बिल्कुल किरकिरा हो जाता है.
So yajna, dan is nothing is mine, everything is his. So share abundantly. There is enough in this world for everyone. There is no shortage of anything. Even though economics says distribution of scarce resources, according to our culture, our Sanatan Dharma, there is abundance. There is no shortage of anything. You have to make the correct mindset in order to tap into that abundance. है क्या नहीं? अगर यहाँ पे बैठ के हम बोलते रहे पानी नहीं है, पानी नहीं है, पानी, अरे नलका लगा हुआ है, जाओ जितना पानी उतना पी लो. As much as you want you can drink. So, because life has been very generous, God has been very generous, nature has been very generous to give us abundance in our life, whatever. I'll tell you one example of abundance. One child, very touching, and one old woman was there on the side street, and she was begging, and she was not having, couldn't see clearly, very frail, torn clothes, sitting there, hand out, and nobody putting anything there. Next to her, one young kid, not hers, but someone else, a little bit distance apart. She is also eyes bright, smile on her face. Uncle, de do na. Or everyone is giving her the money. And the moment she got the money, what did she do? We are talking about abundance. Immediately, this old lady was not wanting money. She said, give me food. But that young girl, she took that money that she got in donation or as a result, and immediately went to the shop across the road, got a bun and some sabji, samosa type, and came and gave it to her. And not fill up her stomach, but filled the stomach of the old lady who could not even see. Using all that money and giving food to that old lady was an act of abundance. She did not feel the lack. If I give all the money away, what will I eat? Our donations, our dakshina, our charity in the temples or wherever, it's always calculative. This is abundance. So here it says, tapo yajna. But as much as you may give to the people, people are never going to be satisfied. The hand will be still out. As much as yajna you may do in your life, there is you will eventually get exhausted. See? So here he says that once a person has done the austerities, once a person has done the yajnas, once a person has done the charity, etc. And why do we do all these things? In order to bring about a purified mind. Purified mind comes by good acts, and these are just some of them. Adi bihi, there are many. Speak the truth, don't steal, be non-violent, etc., etc., etc. And our Patanjali Yoga Sutra very clearly, in simple language, they say that if you have to move around in this world in such a way that your speech, your thoughts, your speech and your actions do not disturb anyone in the world. When you are practicing that, then other people's thoughts, other people's speech and other people's action will not be a cause of disturbance to you. They become cause of disturbance because we are disturbing others. See? So practice that. Then what does he say? Virakto nripade pade tuchha buddhya. And virakta means detachment. Virakto nripadehe. And as a result of that purified mind, develop a detachment from the worldly pleasures. Thinking that what you call even if not only the pleasures, that small kid, because she had 10 rupees or 5 rupees, for her that was all the wealth that she had at that moment, but she didn't think twice to use it for the benefit of the other. This is purified mind. Our mind is what? Our mind is like the mind of Nachiketa's father. Nachiketa's father is doing the yajna. In the yajna, all the cows have to be given, and the gold has to be given, and everything. And he's giving it to everyone. All the people of the country have come, and he's giving them. He's got all the guys with golden horns. Imagine, and he's giving away. But which cows he's giving away? Which cannot give any milk. So that means he's given the ones with gold, but the Brahmin or the person to whom he is giving it, he has to spend more money than the gold he has put on the horns to take care of them for the rest of the life of the cow, without getting even one drop of milk, because they are already dried up. Then what has he done with the young cows who are milk giving? He has kept it for his son, and he is beating the drum. I am such a dani, I am giving charity. Look, I have not kept anything for myself. But he has kept it for his son. And that young son goes to the father and says, whom are you going to give me, my dad? Dhoti pakad ke kheenchta hai. And then the Upanishad begins, kehta hai, go, I give you to death. And the Upanishad starts. So like that, Virakta means even if we have the worldly pleasures, like Janak Maharaj, he lives in the palace, he lives in the middle of opulence, he is the king of the country, but he is a Raj Rishi. He is absolutely detached from everything. So, whatever we have, nobody is saying don't produce, nobody is saying don't enjoy, but don't be attached to anything. And then it says, Parityajya sarvam yada apnoti tattvam. And here it says that have a dispassionate or give up this sarvam, give up this all that you have. And you know, we have आग्रह करते हैं ना, किसी के घर जाते हैं तो प्लीज़ अभी खाना खाने के बाद कहेंगे जो ऑल द गेस्ट्स हु कम शी विल गो अराउंड एंड सेइंग नहीं आधी चपाती और ले लो, एक चपाती और ले लो, थोड़ा और सब्जी ले लो, थोड़ी और दाल ले लो. आग्रह हो गया. इसका ऑपोजिट होता है दुराग्रह. एक और दुराग्रह, और दूसरा होता है नवग्रह. पीपल गो अराउंड द 9 planets. आशीर्वाद आशीर्वाद, प्लीज 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 डोंट गिव, डोंट, शनिदेव जी इट्स योर टाइम स्टार्टिंग प्लीज, राहु केतु प्लीज 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 प्लीज. तो वी गो अराउंड एवरी डे एंड ऑफर मिल्क दिस दैट एंड ऑयल एंड एवरीथिंग. दूसरा एक है दुराग्रह. इट इज मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर देन आग्रह एंड नवग्रह. एंड दैट दुराग्रह मीन्स, you know the meaning? Huh?
Conditioning, obstinacy, conditioned.
It means insistence. Insistence not only in, you have to eat. No. What I say is only right. I am this body. I know I am the body. I know I am the husband. This is the insistency. See? So don't, here it's saying this parityajya, give up this obstinacy, give up this insistence that you were born, give up this insistence that you will one day die, give up this insistence that you are this body, give up this insistence that you have to survive in this world. Give up this insistence that the creation was there before you were born. Give up this insistence that the creation will continue after this body goes. All these are wrong conclusions of life. Swamiji, we think you are wrong. Because this is our norm. We have never heard this. Then if you have to insist, what do you insist? Param Brahma Nityam Tada Eva Ahamasmi. Insist. What? Parabrahma Tattvam Nityam. I am of the nature of Parabrahma Paramatma. I am eternal. I am existence, consciousness, and nothing less. Come back to your true nature. Come back to your true nature. That was the first verse. अब दूसरे में. दूसरा कैसा है? इससे भी भयंकर. The second one says, Dayalum Gurum Brahmanishtam Prashantam Samaradya Bhaktya Vicharya Swarupam Yadapnoti Tattvam Nididhyasya Vidwan Param Brahma Nityam Tadevahamasmi Param Brahma Nityam Tadevahamasmi. I am that Brahman whom a person reaches as a result of what? Of deep intellectual inquiry and contemplation on one's own essential nature. But what type of contemplation? Which is uninterrupted. There is no break in it. So right now, Abhi, are you continuously listening to me, to the lecture? के बीच बीच में हीटर मेरे पास होता तो मज़ा आ जाता. या अभी जब मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले बोला ये आग्रह करेगी, मन में विचार होगा क्या क्या बना होगा खाने के लिए. आज क्या बनाया होगा शैलजा ने. हम पिछली बार तो ये बनाया था, इतने में लेक्चर आधा खत्म हो गया. अभी यही सोच रहे कि पिछली बार क्या कहा था और अभी क्या बना है. दिस इज हाउ वी गेट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड. वर्ल्ड इज देयर फॉर डिस्ट्रैक्टिंग. द वर्ल्ड इज देयर, सेंसेस आर ओपन and we are available. We have to be available to the Atma. This human life is the only, आजकल की लैंग्वेज में, the only portal available to not come back on this planet. Come to realize कि तुम पर ब्रह्म परमात्मा हो. ये आप जानवर की योनि में से, फ्रॉम एनिमल वूम्ब, एनिमल्स कैनॉट अचीव इट, मॉस्किटोज कैनॉट, स्नेक्स कैनॉट, द बर्ड्स कैनॉट, ओनली ह्यूमन बींग्स. एंड यू आर ऑलरेडी अ ह्यूमन बींग. थैंक यू. You are already a human being. So, major battle is already won. Now all you have to do is orient your mind without any interruption towards the consciousness that I am, without going to sleep. Without going to sleep. क्योंकि whenever शुद्ध बुद्धि आया था ना पिछले वर्ष में, प्योर माइंड, प्योर इंटेलेक्ट. Pure intellect, pure mind means what? That mind which has got no thoughts. Thoughts are coming and going. तो जो आ रहा है जा रहा है वो असली थोड़ी ना है. जो हमेशा है that is real. तो what is always remaining? Consciousness. What is coming and going? Thoughts. So when thoughts go away, which go away every night when you go to sleep, only you know one thing. Empty mind is equal to sleep. In sadhana, a yogi consciously brings about, by all the steps that were told before, he brings about a pure mind, and that pure mind he applies on the conscious self, without allowing the mind to go to sleep. बस इतना ही डिफरेंस है, इतना ही डिफरेंस है, यही बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस है. स्माइल बता रही है. हाँ?
वहां तक पहुंचना और उसको अचीव करना, वो सबसे बड़ी बात है.
अभी हम लास्ट लाइन हर वर्स में क्या बोल रही है? परब्रह्म नित्यम तदेवाह अस्मि. जिस तक आप पहुंचना चाहते हो, what you want to achieve in this life, you are already that. ये पहले एक्सेप्ट कर लो कि मैं ना पति हूं, ना पत्नी हूं, ना बेटा हूं, ना भाई हूं, ना बहन हूं, ना शरीर हूं, ना सांस हूं, ना मन हूं, ना विचार हूं, ना जागा हुआ हूं, ना सपने लेने वाला हूं, ना सोने वाला हूं. मैं कौन हूं अगर मैं ये सब नहीं हूं? क्योंकि ये सब तो आ रहे जा रहे हैं, है कि नहीं? तो जो आ रहा है जा रहा है वो सच हो ही नहीं सकता. फिर सच क्या है? जो कभी नित्यम, जो कभी नहीं आता और कभी नहीं जाता, वो कौन है? अगर आप जानते हो कि ये सब आ रहे हैं जा रहे हैं, इफ यू नो दैट एवरीथिंग इज कमिंग एंड गोइंग, थॉट्स, कंसेप्ट्स, आइडियाज, इमोशंस, एक्सपीरियंसेस, नॉलेज, बचपन में कुछ नॉलेज थी, आज कुछ नॉलेज, सब कुछ चेंज हो रही है. तो मतलब द अनचेंजिंग प्रिंसिपल तो आप ही हुए ना. तो दैट अनचेंजिंग प्रिंसिपल, कैन द बॉडी थिंक? नो. Then for who is noticing that everything is coming and going? That one you are. That is the consciousness. That is the I. So either हमारे पास 3 choices हैं. या तो हम उस अहम को सोचें कि मैं माता पिता, बंधु सखा, पति पत्नी, भाई बहन, इसको बोलते हैं वर्चुअल आई. ये सच नहीं है. इसी में आदमी खोया हुआ है, फंसा हुआ है. ये वर्चुअल आई है, भूत. उससे और बड़ा भूत, छोटा नहीं, उससे बड़ा भूत. कौन सा? अगर आपने इस अहम को, इफ वी एक्सेप्ट दिस आई एज दिस बॉडी, इट इज अ बिगर प्रॉब्लम. द सेकेंड वर्चुअल केम अबाउट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वन. सो यू गॉट चॉइस कि आप अपने, यू एक्सेप्ट योर सेल्फ एज हस्बैंड, वाइफ, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, or you accept yourself as the human, as the body, and majority people are thinking they are the body. Therefore I am hungry, thirsty, I feel cold, I feel hot, I feel insulted, or I need praise in order to perform, etc etc. Or you are accepting yourself as the Parabrahma Tattvam Tadevaham Asmi. Or I accept myself as that unchanging, pure, infinite, ever blissful consciousness that I am, which has never come, which has never gone. In my presence, everything is coming and going. The childhood came, the teenage came, the youth came, the middle age came, and the old age is coming. I have been always present. Body has changed. I have always been present. The emotions have come and gone. I have always been present. I was watching. That's why I am able to recollect everything, isn't it? So, यहाँ पे हम ये नहीं कह रहे कि मेरे को वो रिकलेक्ट करना है जो मैंने देखा. I want to recollect what I am actually. And what is that? Parabrahma Tattvam Tadevaham Asmi. So here it is told that once you have purified your mind, once you have developed enough dispassion, enough virakti in your life, as was told in the previous verse, and how did you bring about purification? By doing tapa, yajna, dan, etc, etc, pilgrimages, going to temple, doing Satyanarayan puja, blah blah blah, सब कुछ करते रहो, सब कुछ करो, जरूरी है. उसके बाद जब you come to a point where you feel एक नीरसता, a sense of detachment from the world, that I'm not interested in this world anymore, yaar. I understand there is nothing real in this world because everything is changing. Now what do I do? Do I live like a zombie? Then what do I do? Here it says, Dayalum Gurum Brahmanishtam Prashantam. Go and approach a teacher. Usually we say the teacher always finds the student. It is our experience also. But at the same time, the student also should be seeking. Only seek and you shall receive कहा जाता है ना. अगर बच्चा रोएगा नहीं तो उसको माँ दूध देगी ही नहीं, या नैपी चेंज नहीं करेगी, उसको आवाज़ तो करनी पड़ेगी थोड़ी. तो यहाँ पे क्या है, द स्टूडेंट हैज़ ऑलरेडी लेफ्ट एवरीथिंग इन द वर्ल्ड. विरक्ति हो गई है. अब वो पूछ रहा है कि भाई आगे क्या, व्हाट नेक्स्ट, व्हाट नेक्स्ट, एंड ही इज सर्चिंग हाउ, वेयर विल आई गेट द नेक्स्ट आंसर. सो ही इज ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयर्ड. ये बहुत बड़ी सुंदर बात है. Every Upanishad, all the students who have come, and those students are great masters by themselves, but all of them have always done the first verse. और बार बार पता है क्या करते हैं ये सब ऋषि लोग, एक दिन इसको गुरु बना दिया, एक दिन दूसरे को बना दिया, सब जाके बैठ जाते उसके चरणों में. They sit at his feet. अच्छा हमको ये बताओ, इसके बारे में बताओ, हमको समझ नहीं आता. ये नहीं कि उनको पता नहीं है, वो खुद त्रिकालदर्शी हैं. They know everything. They are the masters of the three world. But the world is continuously changing. There are n number of angles to look at the world at any given moment. There are n number of ways to do the sadhana, to understand the same thing. One person calls her क्या पत्नी देवी. नहीं, मेरे को पॉजिटिव बोलने दो यार. दूसरा बोलता है मम्मी, तीसरा बोलता है बहन, तीसरा बोलता है आंटी, चौथा बोलता है आंटी. So person is the same, but as many people, that many people will have a way to interact, isn't it? A unique way to interact. Same way, the truth is the same. There are n number of ways. कोई भी चीज रिपीट नहीं होती इस क्रिएशन में. जो आज इतना फर्स्ट क्लास धूप था, कल देखो क्या होता है. धूप वही होगी, इंटेंसिटी अलग होगी, टेम्परेचर अलग होगा, हवा अलग होगी, पेड़ भी वही होता है, पर दिखता हर बार कुछ अलग है. आवाज उसमें से अलग आती है, कुछ ना कुछ नया हम देख लेते हैं उसमें, अगर आप रोज उसको ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हो. तो उसी तरह से यहाँ पे जब when we become available as a result of purification and we are looking, he says, approach a kind-hearted guru and brahmanishtam prashantam, and that guru should be prashant. प्रशांत मतलब क्या? प्रशांत महासागर. प्रशांत मतलब एब्सोल्युटली काम. एक होती है शांति, उसका ऑपोजिट होती है अशांति, और तीसरी होती है प्रशांति. हमारे सत्य साई बाबा की का जो नीलायम है वो प्रशांति नीलायम है. तो प्रशांति जहाँ एब्सोल्यूट पीस, एब्सोल्यूट कंटेंटमेंट. तो so approach a guru who is kind-hearted, approach a guru who is silent and calm and peaceful within himself. यानी कि वही टेंशन में और उसको जाके पूछ रहे हो, अच्छा मैं कौन हूँ, ये मारेगा यार, पहले मेरा काम कर. मैं तेरे को शिष्य तभी एक्सेप्ट करूंगा जब तू मेरे लिए आश्रम बनाएगा, क्योंकि उसके अंदर खिचली उसी की थी, इसलिए वो शांत नहीं था. कितने हैं ऐसे. तो प्रशांत, उसको कुछ नहीं चाहिए, अपने आप में वो ही इज कंटेंट विद इन हिमसेल्फ, फुल ऑफ हिमसेल्फ. एंड हाउ हैज दैट कम अबाउट? बिकॉज ही इज ब्रह्मनिष्ठ. Brahmanishta, he is established in his own pure self. He has recognized what we are saying, no, Parabrahma Nityam Tadevaha Asmi. This Guru Maharaj, he is already established in it. We are chanting the verse and saying, I am that, but I have not realized it, isn't it? But I want to approach a guru, teacher, and anyone for that. It can be a grahastha, it can be a business person, it can be a uneducated fakir on the road, it can be a king like Janak Maharaj, it can be a Brahmin who is totally involved in meditation, and he could be a yogi, he could be a priest. There is no taboo. Who could be a Brahmanishta? Brahmanist established in the self. It can be anyone. It does not have to be only one wearing this type of clothes. He is wearing fire-colored clothes outside, but wet inside. फायदा क्या है? You have to find, and when your intention is clear that I have to approach a teacher like that, I want a teacher of that caliber, of that type in my life, believe me, that pure mind will attract that type of teacher in your life. It goes without saying. ऐसा अभी तक कभी नहीं हुआ कि नहीं मिला. So and when such a person gets initiated, samaradya bhaktya vicharya swarupam. So here he says, having approached the teacher, having got initiated by the teacher, then you serve the teacher. And how do you serve the teacher? दान भक्ति तप दान यज्ञ ये तो हमने कर लिया already. But now what are we doing? How do we serve the teacher? By following what the teacher is telling us to follow, to realize ourselves. And what has to be done? Swarupanusandhanam. Investigate into your true nature. Don't get deviated. Don't get distracted. Live in this world, but your attention always should be on the self within. Just like एक एग्जाम्पल, कई बार आया ये एग्जाम्पल, बट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट वी आर सेइंग हियर. Like a mother is staying at home and everything is going on at home, she is preparing the food and suddenly she checks the time, अरे 3 बज गए, बच्चे आने वाले थे, अभी तक नहीं आए, क्यों नहीं आए? Then continuously in her mind the thought is about the children. Continuously is the thinking about the children. But outside शी इज रोलिंग द चपाती, दाल में छौंक लगा रही है, इधर ये कर रही है, सब कुछ कर रही है, पर मन के अंदर क्या चल रहा है? बच्चे टाइम पे नहीं आए, क्या हो गया? बस लेट हो गई, क्या हो गया? तो उस तरीके से यू डू एवरीथिंग इन लाइफ. बाहर जो कुछ चल रहा है सब में क्या ऑटोमेटिक है. यू आर ऑलरेडी प्रोग्राम्ड कि कितने बजे भूख लगेगी, कितने बजे खाना खाना है, कितने बजे सोना है, सब कुछ प्रोग्राम्ड है. Why waste time thinking about it? Utilize your energy of your mind to think about the self. And in this way, the person, after having been initiated by the teacher, he starts doing what? Samaradya bhaktya vicharya swarupam. Sama aradhya. He takes the words of his when will you take the words of your teacher to be the final word? When you feel that he is the best teacher in my life. You will only pursue whom will you marry when you come to know this is the best person in my life. That person I will marry. Which house you will buy? After doing the market research, I think this is the best that suits my requirements, and you are ready to put extra money because you want it, because it suits your every needs. Exactly the same way here, the student also, he does not doubt the actions or the words of the teacher, and therefore he serves the teacher he thinks about the teacher, he tries to put whatever the teacher has said into his life, and with devotion. And continuously, whenever he is not doing the seva or while doing the seva and whenever he has the free time, vicharya swarupam. The teacher has only one job when he comes to initiate, to bring him back to his essential nature. If any teacher is giving you or any guru is giving you to हाँ पहले ये करो पहले वो, भाग जाओ वहां से. काम एक ही है, अपने आप को पहचानना है. या तो पूरी भक्ति हो इन द टीचर, that you don't question and you are not suspicious. नहीं तो कई बार होते हैं 10-10 साल के बाद आके रोते हैं. तो यहाँ पे बोला है कि यदाप्नोति तत्वम निधिध्यास विद्वान. एंड after having reflected on what the teacher said, you contemplate on the self, and in this way param brahma nityam tadevahamasmi, param brahma nityam tadevahamasmi. यदानंद रूपम प्रकाश स्वरूपम निरस्त प्रपंचम परिच्छेदहीनम अहम ब्रह्म वृत्त्येक गम्यम तुरीयम परम ब्रह्म नित्यम तदेवाहमस्मि. ट्यून चेंज हो गई. परम ब्रह्म नित्यम तदेवाहमस्मि. ज्यादा एक्साइटमेंट हो गई. यद आनंद रूपम प्रकाश स्वरूपम. When you reflect on the self, what do you realize? When you continuously reflect, who am I? Am I the husband, wife, daughter, sister? Am I the body, breath, mind, intellect? यार सभी कुछ चेंज हो रहा है. सभी कुछ चेंज हो रहा है. बॉडी भी चेंज हो रही है, ब्रेथ भी चेंज हो रहा है, मन, विचार, इमोशंस भी चेंज हो रहे हैं, कंसेप्ट भी चेंज हो रहे हैं. तो कौन हूं मैं? मैं तो वो कह रहे हैं कि आई एम द वन हु इज वॉचिंग ऑल दिस, आई एम द अदर वन अदर देन ऑल दिस थॉट्स एंड बॉडी एंड ब्रेथ एंड माइंड एंड इंटेलेक्ट. जो हु एम आई, बार बार बोलते हैं टीचर कि यू बी सब्जेक्टिव, यू बी सब्जेक्टिव. यार कैसे कर समझ नहीं आ रहा इसके बारे में. वेन यू कीप थिंकिंग, इवन दो यू डोंट नो, यू कीप थिंकिंग, one day it will click. Do you know what sleep is? Does anyone know what sleep is? While sleeping, not after sleeping. Sleep is emptiness. Sleep is ignorance. Ignorance is I don't know. And yet you're thinking of I don't know and going to sleep every night. You're going into that state every night. अब जब तुम्हारे पास इतनी एबिलिटी है कि कुछ ना सोचते हुए भी तुम शांत हो जाते हो, अब कॉन्शियसली करो वो सेम थिंग. क्यों नहीं कर सकते? बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पे बोलते हैं यद, और सबसे ज्यादा आनंद आपको कहाँ मिलता है? Where do you get the maximum bliss? In sleep. Imagine if your mind is empty of thoughts and emotions and concepts, you will be consciously blissful. That is Paramatma. तो यहां पे बोलते हैं यद आनंद रूपम. And the moment you experience this bliss or you are in this, और आनंद का रूप क्या है? What is the nature, form of joy and bliss? No form. It is infinite. Because when you go to sleep, do you know that you are the body? No. Do you know you are breathing? No. Do you have any thoughts? No. Do you know you are a man or woman? No. Do you know you are alive or dead? No. कुछ भी नहीं पता, इसीलिए आनंद है. कुछ भी पता नहीं, इसलिए आनंद है. अगर मैं कॉन्शियसली ऐसे अपने आप को ऑन द सीट ऑफ मेडिटेशन, या एक अभी इन्होंने चाय दी थी, वो चाय पीते पीते नाइसली बैठ जाऊं और इधर पहुंच गया, सोया नहीं हूं, जागा हूं, आई एम विद माई सेल्फ बिकॉज दैट इज माई नेचर. तो यहाँ पे बोलते हैं यद आनंद रूपम, और जहाँ आनंद की अभिव्यक्ति हुई, वेर एवर द ब्लिस स्टार्ट्स एक्सप्रेसिंग, it is not nothing, because you are knowing that bliss. It is prakasha swarupam. Prakash means light, and that is your nature. It is self-illumined, that light in which you are able to experience this bliss consciously. That is all knowledge. Prakasha swarupam. Nirasta prapancham parichhedahinam. And this prakash, this light, this bliss, it is indivisible, and it can only be known through the words of the scriptures. It can only be known through the Upanishadic statements. For example, I am Atma Brahma, this is Brahman. And for example, Sarvam Khalvidam Brahma, everything is Brahman. Hello. Everything is Brahman. So these are the statements. Tattvamasi, you are that. Aham Brahmasmi. यहाँ पे एक वर्ड आ गया ना अभी, पर ब्रह्म नित्यम तदेवाह. This is another वाक्य, महावाक्य. I am only that which is Parabrahma and eternal. I am that infinite consciousness. I am that supreme self, which is the what you call Aham Brahma Vritti Ekagamyam Turiyam. We know as a waker we come and go, as a dreamer we come and go, as a sleeper we come and go, but as that Parabrahma Paramatma, the one who knows the waking, dream and deep sleep coming and going, that fellow does not come and go. And that is the Turiyam, that is the fourth state, which can be experienced in the meditation. It can be experienced if you are following the words right now. It can be you can abide in it right here and now at this moment. You don't have to close your eyes to get into meditation. Aham Brahma Vrityeka Gamyam. And this can come about, this going into the fourth state can only come about when we have the vritti, Aham Vritti, meaning Aham Brahma Vritti, means Aham Brahmasmi Vritti, that I am the infinite reality. If we continue to insist and again accept ourselves as the in Parabrahma Nityam Tadevaham Asmi, that I am the infinite reality, I am of the nature of light, I am the blissful being, I am the all-knowing. पर यार मेरे को तो सारी चीज़ें पता नहीं है, मेरे को तो कोई सिद्धि भी नहीं है, फिर मैं अपने why should I tell lies to myself? No, you tell lies. If you keep telling yourself, if you keep, I give this example many times, काम कर जाता है क्या, पति पत्नी मिले, लड़का लड़की मिले, वरमाला डाली, मंगलसूत्र डाला, थोड़ा सा सिंदूर लगा दिया, सब बाहर बाहर किया. उस दिन से आदमी सोचता है मैं पति हूँ और लड़की सोचती है मैं पत्नी हूँ. क्या बदला? कुछ भी नहीं है. मेकअप पे वो थोड़ी देर के लिए, बस लोगों के सामने बोल दिया मैं 7 स्टेप्स लेती हूँ, मैं ये कमिट करती हूँ, बस इतना ही बोला ना. क्योंकि आपने बोला, क्योंकि आपने वो पानी ग्रहण किया, क्योंकि आपने कमिटमेंट की, क्योंकि आपने एक्सेप्ट किया, बिकॉज यू एक्सेप्टेड ईच अदर. दैट्स व्हाई यू आर स्टिल कमिटेड आफ्टर सो मेनी डेकेड्स. व्हाई डोंट यू कमिट that I am the infinite bliss? Why don't you commit Parabrahma Nityam Tadevaham Asmi? Why don't you commit and accept? It's only acceptance. Why don't you accept that I am of the nature of infinite bliss? Nothing less. If anything else other than that I become aware of, I'll just discard it, I'll delete it. Because I am not that. I am of the nature of bliss. And in this way, Aham Brahma Vritti. Aham Brahma Vritti means the Brahma Vritti, I am of the nature of Brahman, Ekagamyam. That means you are thinking of that thought to the exclusion of everything else. That mother was thinking of her children to the exclusion of everything. She is involved in everything that she is doing in the kitchen or in the house. But her train of thought is continuously towards her children. Or if you have been in love, then utte, baithte, khate, peete, you forget eating, you forget sleeping, continuously you are thinking, हाँ लैला हो लैला, कैसी तू लैला, ये अपने दिन की बात कर रहे हैं. हाँ, you see, continuously thinking. We have all gone through that. Swamiji, you also? मेरे साथ ऐसे होता है जब मैं भगवान का नाम लेना शुरू, अंदर चलता रहता है कंटिन्यूसली. अब यही चीज़ बाकियों में भी होती होगी. जब प्यार होता है तो ऐसे ही होता है. जब भगवान से प्यार हो गया तो ऐसे हो रहा है. तो जब दो जीवों में प्यार होगा तो वो भी तो ऐसे ही होगा. एंड जैसे जैसे दिस इंटेंसिटी इंक्रीजेस, just like a devotee forgets it is day or night, it is waking or sleeping, he is totally involved. आंखें खुली हैं या आंखें बंद हैं, उसी तरह से ये जो दो प्यार के कबूतर होते हैं वो भी ऐसे होते हैं, भूल जाते हैं कंटिन्यूसली. कैसी है, ठीक है, बढ़िया, बार 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 बार. Parabrahma, Ekagamyam Turiyam. And when you are thinking continuously to the exclusion of everything else, that I am of the nature of Brahman, you will end up in Turiya Avastha. You will end up being the fourth one, in fourth state. You will enter into the fourth state, or you will recognize yourself to be the infinite. कितने हो गया? हाँ, लास्ट वन. कंटिन्यूइंग, कहाँ गया? हाँ, यदज्ञानतो भाति विश्वं समस्तं विनष्टं च सद्यो यदात्म प्रबोधे मनोवागतीतं विशुद्धं विमुक्तं परम ब्रह्म नित्यम तदेवाहमस्मि. I am that Brahman, Parabrahma Nityam Tadevahamasmi. I am that Brahman which is superior to all, the eternal consciousness. And क्या यद अज्ञानतो भाति विश्वम समस्तं. And this consciousness that I am, it is without any impurity, and it is infinitely pervasive, and which cannot be comprehended by the mind. Taittiriya Upanishad says, Yato vacho nivartante aprapya manasa saha. ये जो मैं हूँ ना, जो मेरा अस्तित्व है, ये जो परब्रह्म नित्यम तदेवाहमस्मि हम बोल रहे हैं, यहाँ पे तो बोल रहे हैं, but when you experience it, now think, I am sleeping, I am sleeping, I am sleeping. If you are thinking of sleeping, are you sleeping? I am asking. If you are thinking of sleeping, are you sleeping? No. When sleep happens, what are you thinking? No. As long as you are thinking of food, are you eating? After you have eaten food, are you thinking of food? No. Same way. So as long as I am thinking Parabrahma Tattvam, till then it is only I am wanting that experience. But when it happens, here he says, that one, it is that the speech, it stops because it cannot illuminate. Speech comes and goes. So it is not eternal. Speech is not eternal. So when the words used as Parabrahma Nityam, it is only indicating, see, that is that. But you have to discover. It is not outside here. But you are that. But you have to recognize, you have to accept that I am that, because scriptures are saying it, because the Guru Maharaj is saying it, because all the saints and sages of the past and the present, they are saying it. They cannot be wrong. Bhagavad Gita is saying it, she cannot be wrong. Puranas are saying it, they cannot be wrong. Upanishads are saying it, they cannot be wrong. भाति विश्वम समस्तम, and so it can not विश्वम उधर बाद में आते हैं, but here that the mind cannot comprehend this reality, because mind can only comprehend something which has a quality, which has some attribute, which has some form, it has some shape. Only that can be understood by the mind. But when there is no shape, no form, no color, no sound, no smell, no any of the five senses, no imagination, no concept, mind only knows one thing. What? Go to sleep. But here it is said, don't go to sleep. You are thinking. You have purified yourself. Here it says, manovagatitam vishuddham vimuktam, recognizing, even though we are saying Parabrahma Tattvam, in the background I know that neither the words will reveal the truth, nor my mind can experience the self. So both of them become quiet, and when they become quiet, what remains? Like yesterday's, where was it, that satsang? Somewhere it was happening. कासल, हाँ किसी नहीं कल नहीं परसों, वो बताया था ना मैंने, कौन सा था वो, दशश्लोकी कहाँ किया था, किसी के घर किया था, अभी याद नहीं है, तो रॉबिन्स प्लेस, हाँ दशश्लोकी में था कि व्हाट रिमेन्स बिहाइंड आई एम. So when the mind has become empty of everything, what remains behind? That is this Parabrahma Paramatma, provided I have not gone to sleep. So here, manovagati, mana, mind, vag, speech, atitam, beyond the speech and beyond the mind, vishuddham vimuktam, that alone is pure, and that alone is free, that alone is independent. And what is that? That I am. And in this way, yadajnanato bhati vishwam samastam vinashtam cha sadyo yadatma prabodhe manovagatitam vishuddham vimuktam param brahma nityam tadevahamasmi param brahma nityam tadevahamasmi. Our scriptures attempt is only this much, to make you realize, not only scriptures, masters, guru, only to make one thing, to make you realize that you are at any given moment of your existence, you are free, you are independent, you are infinite, you are ever existing, you were never born, you can never die. You are ever pure. To accept that I am a sinner is the biggest sin that you can commit on yourself. Consciousness can never be a sinner. So, get out of these type of mindsets. And the only way to get out of these mindsets is not keep thinking of the world. वो तो सोच रहा है यार, मैं भी वो भी सोच रहा, चलो मैं भी सोच लेता हूँ वैसे. जैसे अभी हम कैलाश गए थे, ये एग्जाम्पल अभी फ्रेश है इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ. कैलाश गए थे, कैलाश जी सामने खड़े हैं, पिछले महीने के 3 हफ्ते पहले. कैलाश जी राइट इन फ्रंट, इवनिंग सनसेट, ब्यूटिफुल golden Kailash. You can see the photo afterwards. And one lady, she came and she's praying. Oh, no. And suddenly one other lady, also from our group, she comes and says, "Hey, don't pray. Hey, setting sun, you should not pray." एंड सडनली हाँ ऐसे लोग बोलते हैं हाँ, एकदम से हाथ नीचे कर लिया। मैं सामने ही खड़ा था, डांट पड़ गई दोनों को। सामने कैलाश खड़े हैं और तुम कह रहे हो कि प्रे नहीं करना है। इट इज द सेटिंग सन, संध्या का समय है। संध्या के समय तुम अर्घ्य करते हो, संध्या के समय तुम पूजा करते हो, संध्या के समय तुम घर में दिया लगाते हो। मत करो सब कुछ। संध्या के समय तुम नहाते हो, संध्या के समय तुम मंदिर जाते हो। दैट इज द बेस्ट टाइम टू गो, अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग और इन द संध्या के समय करते हैं ना ये सब। और ये पता नहीं कहाँ से ये दिस इज कॉल्ड, कहीं से कहीं किसी का कुछ टोपी उठा ली, किसी का मफलर उठा लिया और खुद पहन लिया। पता नहीं कहाँ पे पढ़ा होगा इन्होंने या कहाँ पे सुना होगा। जैसे नाम नहीं लूंगा कंट्री का और लोगों को, क्योंकि काफ़ी लोग उस कंट्री में भगवत गीता को पढ़ते नहीं, भगवत गीता की पूजा होती है। आप कहेंगे क्यों नहीं पढ़ते? नहीं, भगवत गीता दे ओपन ओनली व्हेन समवन डाइज। You know why? If you open Bhagavad Gita while you are alive, then there will be war in your house. Because it was given on the battlefield. Imagine Bhagavad Gita, what she is teaching and what these people have understood. Means they have never studied. Because some uneducated fellow, they all were taken by the Britishers to that country, and they have got that type of mindset. If you keep the Krishna and Arjun on the on the chariot in the middle of the battlefield, you have that photograph in your house, उस घर में कलह होंगे. There will be fight in that house. हाँ, घर में महाभारत चलती रहेगी. If you read Bhagavad Gita, you not only inside, outside also you will be continuously confused. It is there to sort all the confusion of your life. So when do they open the Bhagavad Gita? जब कोई मर जाता है. Play it safe. अब कुछ नहीं होने वाला. These are all superstitions, and many all societies, not only Indian, many societies, they are full of these superstitions. Get out of all these. Another superstition is I am the body. Another superstition is I was born. Another superstition is I am going to die. Nobody is born, nobody is going to die. You are the infinite one. बोलो सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय, सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय. हरिओम हरिओम. With that thought we conclude. इन्होंने टॉपिक नहीं दिया तो मैंने थोड़ा डीप डाइव ले लिया. आप लोगों का प्रारब्ध.